Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you English, grammar, and today's my topic will be reading comprehension. So, this topic will be for standard 9th, 10th, 11th, and as well as for 12th standard also. Why? Because it is a common thing which comes in your exam. So before I start, I just want to share you about some today's topic, reading comprehension. Here you can see there is a description given below. Reading comprehension is the ability to process text, understand its meaning, and to integrate with what the reader already knows. If words recognition is difficult, students use too much of their processing capacity to read individual words, which interferes with their ability to comprehend what is read. So, what is comprehension, my dear student? It is one kind of a lesson you can. If I want to simplify it for you, it is just one kind of a lesson, and there will be a paragraph, and in that paragraph you have to read it and understand it what is given, and there will be a questions given for you to write. So what we'll do today, I'm going to give you details of it. So reading comprehension, what I have just read in this 3 line, what does it suggest? It suggests that whenever such thing comes, what you should do first. It is your ability to read and understand the paragraph. And it is your idea how to read and understand it, how things are according to yourself. So here is some tricks or tips, I would say. This thing you don't have to read, but it is good for you. If you will read it, it will be more beneficial for you. But still too, I will read it for you. One question that constantly plugs every student's mind is how to improve a reading comprehension. You have to admit reading comprehension questions are a tricky ball game. Reading comprehension passage can be time consuming, energy sapping, and here if I want to underline it for you, first thing, reading comprehension is a time consuming thing. It's a time consuming thing, my dear student. टाइम भी लेगा, एनर्जी भी जाएगी और काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी पड़ेगी. Had the reward they offer are fascinating. If you grasp a passage well, you should be able to get most questions in a single passage correct, and this means you gain quite a few marks by solving one set of questions. At the best of time, you are likely to find a passage that you have never read previously. One of the most significant factors for solving reading comprehension and begin accurate in this area actually revolves around the approach you adopt for this topic. How do you cope with such a challenge actually becomes a critical aspect of how you परफॉर्म इन रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. सो हमेशा टीचर बोलती थी आप लोग को कि टीचर्स जो है वो बोलते हैं कि रीडिंग करो रीडिंग करो. सो रीडिंग करना क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? क्योंकि आप जितना रीड करोगे उतना आपको चीज़ों को समझने में आसानी होगी. अगर आप कभी भी रीडिंग नहीं करोगे तो आपकी जो नॉलेज है अंडरस्टैंडिंग की वो कभी भी बढ़ेगी नहीं. सो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में ये चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा मायने रखती है जो आपको हेल्प करेगी क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए. बिकॉज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के अंदर सब कुछ दिया हुआ ही है, आपको ढूंढ के आंसर्स निकालने हैं. While ensuring that you strike a fine balance for this area, it is important that you keep a number of things in your mind and ensure you do not fall into the common pitfall with regard to the approach you should adopt for reading comprehension. Keep the following points in mind. So यहाँ पे बोला है कि अपना जो बैलेंस है जो रीडिंग का उस एरिया में हमें बनाए रखना पड़ेगा तभी कुछ होगा. और यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें दी है जैसे कि फर्स्ट पॉइंट दिया है डू नॉट ओवर एम्फेसाइज. ये जो है अंडरलाइन कर देता हूँ आपके लिए. इसका मतलब क्या है? ओवर एम्फेसाइज मतलब डिटेल्स आर इम्पॉर्टेंट बट डोंट बी ऑब्सेस्ड विद एग्जांपल्स इलस्ट्रेशन एंड सो ऑन. यू मस्ट नीड to get a hang of the main point and not the examples. Comprehending the overfall flow and structure will help you analyze and answers to the question. So यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट दिया गया है डू नॉट ओवर एम्फेसाइज. ऐसा नहीं कि जल्दी पढ़ के कुछ ना कुछ भी लिख दो. बिकॉज एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे टीचर शायद चेक कर सकती है और देख भी सकती है कि भाई क्या लिखा है, इलिस्ट्रेशन लिखा है कि क्या लिखा है. तो पहले तो पूरा अपने को समझना पड़ेगा. डिटेल्स तो इम्पोर्टेंट है मगर एग्जाम्पल्स मत लिखो, समझो लेसन को, मेन पॉइंट को समझो, एग्जाम्पल को मत समझो. दूसरा पॉइंट यहाँ पे बताया डू नॉट मेमोराइज. अभी हमारे पास इतना टाइम तो नहीं है मेमोराइज करने का, बट अगर पूरा जो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है अगर वो 1 से 2 बार पढ़ोगे तो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा. सो अभी सेकंड पार्ट है मैं उसको सेकंड वीडियो में दूंगा. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच.